Hey beautiful people, it's that time of the year where you need to get rid of the old and in with the new. This is how my cupboard is looking so far. I just haven't had time to actually organize everything because every morning when I wake up, I'm just so in a hurry to go to work and just don't have that much time to organize my cupboards, wardrobe, and yeah, this needs a lot of work. Because even I have a basket here full of clothes. And I did my laundry yesterday, so there's a whole couple of clothes here. So yeah, this is going to be time consuming, but it's going to be worth it in the end because I feel like now is the best time to actually organize everything because I have a lot of free time and in a way it's like therapeutic, if you know what I mean. So I got myself 2 plastic bags. One, I'll put the clothes that I want to get rid of and also jewelry and stuff that I need to get rid of that are just old and torn and all that. And this other one, I will put clothes that I want to donate and that I've been just keeping in my cupboard for a long time because I don't know, I love them. I feel like I found myself being a hoarder all this time because I have a lot of things that I used to use that I don't use anymore and I'm still holding on to them. And every time I'm like, when I take my jewelry, I'm always looking at them and just saying, I'll wear them one day. Some things I bought, I didn't wear them. But anyways, let us start. So I'm first going to start with my clothes. Let me just put them on the bed first. You know, there's one thing I realized is that every time when some clothing item is on trend and you buy it, most of the time you don't wear it after the trend is over. Because I remember a time there was this trend of camouflage and everybody was buying camouflage. But I wasn't in that trend because I don't like camouflage anyways. So yeah, and there was also a time where it was color blocking. I don't know if you remember, everybody was buying all those different colors and just pop of color. And at some point, like, we don't wear those items. We just leave them in the closet and it remains there for the dust to pick it up. So it's important every year to look at your clothing items and see what you can give away and what you can keep or just throw away. Because I know right now there's that one item that is your favorite. It even has holes on it. You don't want to throw it away. It's time to let it go. Let it go and say, I don't want it anymore. It's important to always switch up your wardrobe depending on your budget and also depending on the season. Clothes should be seen as an investment. So it's better to invest in your basic pieces like your blazers, black, white, beige, your jeans, different shades of jeans, basic t-shirt with nothing on it. And I mean plain t-shirts. Those never go out of style. And also invest in black clothes, like your nude items, things that match with each other and go together. Those things will actually last you a lifetime. And I mean, when I say invest in your clothing, invest as in buy good looking jeans, not legging type of jeans. Buy jeans that can actually last you for 10 to 15 years, even more than that. Buy shoes that can last you. Okay, some shoes don't, but try to find shoes that are more of quality instead of quantity. And that's the one thing that will save you a lot when it comes to your wardrobe. A tip I can give you is to buy clothes when they are out of season, like when it's towards the end of winter. You will find a lot of coats, jackets, trousers. Okay, trousers and pants, they are there all season, but you will find a lot of winter items on sale and you'll be lucky to find your size because sometimes you don't find your size, but it's worth a try. Another option would be to go to the thrift store. They have a lot of quality items from the likes of Nike and all those labels. You can find items there at a very affordable price. One thing I've learned about clothing is that you need to know how to style. You can have the same item as someone else, but you put it in a different way. Let's say you have a shirt. You can tie it and wear it in so many different ways. That is what it is. You need to find your own unique style to dress up your items. You can put jewelry over your items, you can put a belt, you can put so many things just to make it look different. You can even go to the tailor, let them sew it in a different way, cut it, do whatever. That is the versatility of clothes. Because I found a lot of people buying so many clothing items because they don't really know how to style them. You would see them looking at a mannequin and they buy the full outfit on that mannequin. But the aim of clothing is to style it in different ways, not as you see it. Yes, the clothes on the mannequin were already styled just to draw you in, but then you take that clothing item and make it something different. A great way to organize your wardrobe is to put items that you don't wear in a bag or just store it somewhere. Like, for example, when it's summer, put all the winter clothes, but just leave 1 or 2 jackets where you can easily reach it. And then from there, you would always have an organized closet. Folding your clothes makes a huge difference because there are so many folding methods that you can try, and there are some that will make your wardrobe look like it's a mess, while others will make it look like you have minimal clothing. And that's the whole aim of packing away your wardrobe, to make it look like you don't have much even though you do have much. I don't know if it's just me, but I do not iron my clothes before I put them in my wardrobe, because I find that sometimes when I do that, then the clothes end up being creased again. So just what's the point? But there was a time where I actually ironed my clothes, and it makes it easier because in the morning you don't have to grab the iron, and because we are living in South Africa, there's load shedding. So yeah, we have to be careful about that. So I find it better to just wash your clothes and pack them away. When you want to wear them, iron them. As you're organizing your wardrobe, make sure that you clean before you put your items on. And also check your cosmetic products. Check what's expired, check what's not. Because sometimes we find ourselves keeping things that have expired in 1985 and we keep on using it, not knowing that it's expired. Take out items that you don't use. Take out items, I know, sometimes you have those items where it's a memory and you just don't want to get rid of it. But at times, it's time to let go of things. It's so important to organize, and the main thing is to put what you need in front and put those items that you don't regularly use at the back, so that it's easier for you to grab and go, and you don't have to fight with your clothes or fight with your cosmetic products to get what you need. And we have finally made it to the end. This is how the wardrobe is looking like. It's very organized and everything is like put together. It's so appealing to my eyes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this and check out my other videos.